Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, the entire market is definitely seen an inflow of cash. As the market was able to hold above 96,000 for Bitcoin, there is definitely a lot of optimism that's returning, and that can also be seen by the fear to the greed index. From 35, we have climbed up to 37, so there's definitely long-term holders which are coming in expecting the market to climb quickly. Another big category that's actually doing extremely well is definitely meme coins, and one of the largest meme coins being Pepe. It's definitely underperforming, so in the coming few days we might be seeing a crazy amount of inflow into Pepe, which is going to cause the market to go explosive. But at the end of the day, you do need to pay attention to other tokens which are very similar, such as Pepu. Now the same team which released this token, which is on the market cap of 70 million, has come out with this one, and that's why I personally feel like this token has so much potential. The AI agent Mind of Pepe, so real-time intelligence with hive mind analysis, exclusive access to mind holders, secure a token before pre-sale closes. So this token is pretty much very similar to an AI token, because they're going to be releasing an AI model which is going to be called Mind of Pepe or AI agent, that's going to be pretty much learning everything relating to meme coins and will give you a clear idea in terms of what you should be doing with your money to make the best profit. I mean, who doesn't like AI, right? And the only way you will be able to get access to this analysis is if you're a holder of Mind token, which is on pre-sale currently. Just to give you guys perspective, this token is going to be on pre-sale for a little bit longer. After that, you will have to go ahead and purchase other ways, which is obviously buying into the token. Now, what is this token about? First of all, look at the tokenomics. 25% goes to the AI agent, 20% to marketing, 15% to rewards, 30% to development, and 10% to exchanges. That's going to be the tokenomics, and if you do decide to purchase it right now, there is a staking option which you can stake it away for a return of 399% per annum. Now that's a good return, and just to give you perspective, as more people are going to be buying into it, obviously this return will be coming down, so being early is going to be incredibly beneficial. Now, what is this token about? Well, in simple term, Mind of Pepe is a self-evolving AI agent that interacts with X, which is Twitter, and other platforms, generating its own preference and opinion. As Mind of Pepe engages with influencers, shares thoughts on meme coins, and sparks discussion, it naturally gains popularity. Over time, it creates its own token and provides exclusive insights to Mind pre-sale token holders, allowing them to benefit first from its growing influence. So overall, you can understand that once it gets an idea of what's happening, it's going to be creating its own meme coins, and those meme coins are going to become popular very quickly, because if you have been paying attention to majority of what's happening, it's very clear the only meme coins that blow up are the ones which are current meme and they just came out. So if this token is able to, or this AI agent is able to capitalize on that, there's definitely a lot of profit to be made in that category. And if you're a pre-sale holder, well, you're going to be getting an exclusive pretty much entry into this buying. And the Mind of Pepe advantage, Mind of Pepe growth and interaction with the community provides Mind crypto pre-sale holders and buyers with the front row seat to its evolution. So obviously, being the pre-sale holder, you do have a higher chance of making more profit. Right now, the audit has been completed, and you guys can see there is no problems with it. This is just talking about how it's not a full project audit yet, because it's still in a pre-sale stage, but once it's released, they will be able to complete it. Right now, there's no problems at all. Their Twitter has about 17,000 followers already, with their tweets getting views up to 100,000. So that should give you perspective. There's a lot of whales which are paying attention to this, and the Telegram has about 3,000 subscribers there. So this token has a lot of potential. Just to give you perspective, this is a meme coin at the end of the day, so make sure you guys do your own research, as this is your money. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just telling you guys my opinion, as I personally see a little bit of potential. But at the end of the day, make sure you guys do your own research. This is your money. But if you do decide to purchase, it's very simple. You just need to go to the link in the description. It would bring you to this page. Now you can decide to buy with crypto or buy with card. If you decide to buy with crypto, just connect the wallet that you guys use, decide how much Ethereum or how much USDT you would like to convert or allocate to the AI agent, and then you can make sure that you do go ahead and stake it away. Staking is going to make you profit while you wait for the pre-sale to come to an end. Other than that, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon.